Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 11 of how to build a bedroom, and after I built the drywall ceiling in part 10, it is now time to plaster it. But before I can do that, I have to install a door frame of drywall, because this room is not only going to be a bedroom, it's also bordering directly to the garage or slash workshop, and in order to separate the sound and the noise and the temperature from the workshop to the room, I have to put a second room, a door inside. So I make a door frame out of drywall, and after I'm done with that, my friend comes to help me and plaster the ceiling. Enjoy the video and stay tuned for more. So as you can see here, first I use the line laser to get the door straight up, and so that everybody is straight and in line the way it's supposed to be. Then I did it in the drywall ceiling, I used the C and the U profiles on the wall. This time I use some Sikaflex to fix it on the wall and on the ceiling, in order to reduce vibrations like when you smash the doors or things like that, and to bind it better with the surroundings. After all, the up is a drywall ceiling. I put some wood under when I installed it, and also the upper frame is exactly where the frame of the door is going to be. Still, I wanted it to have a stronger bond. That's why I use Sikaflex in between. You will see me apply it and then screw the parts up. That is it for the door. The door is also insulated for temperature and sound reasons, and also the flex hose and the openings for the switches are already installed. After the installation of the drywall door frame, I show you some pictures how it looked finished, and then my friend came and we started plastering the ceiling. Now you can see how we plaster the ceiling. First, we use some foam threads to close the gaps which are bigger, and then the first thing you do is pre-plaster everything. Let it dry out a little bit, scrape off the plaster which was too much. Then you lay in a net to reduce the chance of cracks where the drywall planks connect. and then you plaster over it as fine as possible. And as I said before, the next day then we sandpapered it smooth to be for it to be ready for painting, but I did not take a video of this. So enjoy the remaining part of this video and stay tuned for the next part, which is coming soon. Bye bye. What I didn't mention before is here we put in a metal corner which has holes. It's made especially for plastering, so you just press it in with plaster. What you can do is you can use a stapler to fix it, what a lot of people do, and then plaster over it. I did not do it in this case. We just plastered over it and then you plaster towards it, and the metal gives you a nice smooth edge which is straight the whole length. Here is now that we are putting that before mentioned net up. What you do is you apply a little bit plaster, press the net up and plaster over it, so that plaster holds the net up and the net holds the plaster together from breaking apart due to vibrations or temperature shift. Just on a side note, this t-shirt I made it by myself with my embroidery machine, and I will put the link of the embroidery video. Actually, it's a short right up here, so you can watch it. I don't explain anything there, it's just showing the embroidery machine walking on the t-shirt, and yeah, this is the final outcome. Hope you liked this video, and I hope you join in for more, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye guys.